In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain with Systeme.io by retrieving DNS records, adding them in Hostinger's DNS zone editor, and verifying the domain back in Systeme.io. This process might seem a bit technical, but I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's begin by accessing the DNS records from your Systeme.io account. Go ahead and log into your Systeme.io account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the domain section, which you'll typically find under Account Settings or a similar tab. From here, you'll see an option to Add Domain. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the domain you wish to connect. After entering your domain name, Systeme.io will provide you with a set of DNS records. These are essentially instructions on how to direct traffic from your domain to their platform. Next, let's head over to Hostinger. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once inside your Hostinger dashboard, look for Hosting and select the appropriate domain you wish to edit. Navigate to the DNS Zone Editor, which is your main tool for making the necessary adjustments. In the DNS Zone Editor, you'll need to carefully enter the DNS records provided by Systeme.io. Typically, you'll be dealing with the name records or TXT records, so it's important to input them correctly. For the name records, simply find the name section. Enter the subdomain in the name field and the target provided by Systeme.io in the points to field. Don't forget to save your changes. For TXT records, locate the TXT section in the DNS zone settings. Here, you'll paste the entire string of characters provided by Systeme.io into the text field. Again, make sure to save your changes to ensure everything is updated correctly. We're making great progress. Now that your records have been updated in Hostinger, it's time to hop back over to Systeme.io for verification. In your Systeme.io account, return to the same domain configuration section where you initially retrieved your DNS records. There will typically be a Verify button available for you to click on once you've made the changes in Hostinger. After clicking Verify, give it some time as DNS changes can take a while to propagate throughout the internet. Although it usually happens much quicker, don't be alarmed if it takes up to 48 hours for verification to complete. And that's it. Once verified, your domain will be connected to Systeme.io. Now you can take full advantage of all the powerful tools and integrations that Systeme.io has to offer, all accessible through your very own custom domain. If you followed along and executed these steps, you've successfully managed to connect your domain with Systeme.io using Hostinger. If you run into any issues, be sure to revisit each step or contact support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and happy hosting!